Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write something to your bio on the Facebook application, which can serve as a brief introduction to people. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Scroll down and tap on edit profile. Scroll down till you find this bio section. As you can see, it says describe yourself, so tap onto this box and type in your text that you can add as a bio to tell people more about yourself. This could be anything, such as a favorite quote or what makes you happy. So start typing. As you can see, you have 101 characters that you can type in, and after that tap on the button save in the upper right corner of the screen in order to save your bio. So if you want to edit it, tap on this button again and click on the button edit. So you can either edit it or remove it completely by tapping on the remove button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.